What if you could hear the market before it moves? Let's explore the Flowmaster Audiobox, a specialized auditory analytical tool within the AlgoBox system. The Flowmaster Audiobox is a proprietary audio indicator that translates large executed orders into sound in real time, giving traders a live auditory layer on top of their visual analysis. Using proprietary algorithms, Audiobox detects size and speed in the order flow, making the traditional time and sales ladder effectively obsolete. The tool operates on two distinct sounds, a higher-pitched clack, representing aggressive institutional buying, and a lower-pitched boom, representing institutional selling. These sounds don't fire on every retail trade. They're designed to detect significant order flow, the kind that may signal where major market players are positioned and where price could be heading next. The sequence, rhythm, and intensity of Audiobox sounds, when read alongside surrounding market structure, can sharpen order flow analysis. A single pronounced sound burst may mark concentrated large player activity at a key level, often aligning with localized order flow interest. When repetitive sounds appear in rapid succession on one side, such as consistent higher-pitched clacks, they may reflect sustained aggression and support continuation setups. A shift in rhythm, such as an initial try sound from one side followed by an immediate counterbeat from the opposing side, may signal absorption or a change in intent near a decision point. Experienced traders also study purely audio-first scenarios, especially at king timing lines, where unmistakably aggressive and repetitive drilling can become a meaningful data point even when price action looks messy or unclear. In those moments, the audio can reveal which side is actually winning the order flow battle before the chart fully resolves. The best setups often occur when structure is already in place and the sound confirms it. Multiple aligned sounds within a narrow window, especially when paired with structure, momentum, or strat confluence, may reinforce stronger order flow conviction in a trade idea. Position management can also be guided by Audiobox rhythm. Start with a small probe entry, add as the drilling repeats and confirms, and reduce exposure when the opposing sound begins to dominate near a structural target. Audiobox is not a standalone entry strategy. It enhances setups already present on the chart by adding an auditory read of order flow, size, and speed, and it helps define conviction, scaling, and exit pressure in real time. The true power of the Audiobox may be realized when it is paired with complementary AlgoBox filters, such as SMLK lines, the MACV histogram, and the ultimate AlgoBox divergence. For example, high-pitched clacks firing at a king or large timing line alongside a power PRZ cross may strengthen the case for a more significant move, with sound and structure potentially pointing in the same direction. Similarly, in this harmony dot setup that coincides with Audiobox auditory cues, within the MACV no-fiddle zone may indicate less reliable conditions. However, when a harmony dot forms at a masher point and Audiobox begins sounding in alignment, it may create a multi-layered setup where harmonic geometry and live institutional order flow may be pointing in the same direction. Equally, a red or pink enigma appearing in an overbought zone with the Audiobox booming, or a green or blue one triggering in an oversold zone with Audiobox clacking, might suggest alignment between the enigma's order flow reading and broader market conditions. The Audiobox may add significant weight to existing AlgoBox entry strategies when its auditory cues align, deepening observational confluence through real-time order flow validation. A PRZ cross gains additional confluence when Audiobox fires within that harmonic reversal zone, adding a live order flow dimension to a structurally defined entry point. In this case, as the Audiobox stops booming, we may see a super AO appearing, which can signal that aggressive selling has been fully absorbed. This pairing potentially amplifies the reliability of the AO signal by confirming the tape has cleared for a fresh move. The harmony dot may become a higher conviction setup when Audiobox confirms that institutional players are entering in the same direction at the same time. In this scenario, the Audiobox acts as a leading indicator. Once the low-pitched booms stop, it reveals that the selling momentum has likely exhausted. This pause sets the stage for a moonshot, where an enigma's pressure is followed by a cross, potentially highlights explosive directional potential as buyers take control. An enigma paired with Audiobox drilling in the same direction creates a momentum-backed signal where institutional size and directional pressure align, one of the more powerful combinations in the system. Each of these examples shows how layering Flowmaster AudioBox with Enigma, Alpha, Omega, harmonic patterns, and dots creates a multi-signal, multi-sensory framework for high-confluence setup analysis. To truly master these AudioBox combinations, the Enigma pairing, the Super AO, the PRZ cross, and the Harmony dot, watch the official AlgoBox video tutorials where each strategy is broken down with real chart and audio examples. Practicing them in NinjaTrader's Market Replay lets you train your ear alongside your eyes, building familiarity with the absorption sequence, the drilling rhythm, and the timing of each setup in a risk-free simulated environment. Ready to take the next step? Start a 2-week trial to unlock the full suite of AlgoBox tools and strategies. Plus, explore our 8-day bootcamp to deepen your understanding of powerful concepts like the Flowmaster AudioBox. Subscribe now and join our live streams. See you in the next video.